Yeah, okay. Assalamu alaikum. I'm happy to see that Iqra Arabic School is celebrating 25 years now. It's a great occasion. Compliments and congratulations to Sayyid Wari Sahab, who started this institution with the support of Maulana Salih Ali Khalifa and also supported by Maulana Dawood Sahab. It has done extremely well. It is the only institution started here with this course. Subsequently, they encouraged to study modern education, secular education, and many have become doctors, engineers, lawyers, etc. After becoming office and Ali course. It's a new thinking process started by Shaheed Bhai Sahab, and I really compliment and congratulate him for this. I am happy to see the education in the world is Muslim education is crisis now worldwide. One of the biggest problem is that they don't know Arabic as a language, and not knowing language, Arabic as a language, they are not able to understand Quran properly there. So this is a institution where they promote Arabic language and also make by heart Quran. Instantly they get Quran with on life reflection of whatever activities they are doing. Doctors, engineer, administrator. Instantly the Quran ayat is available for them. And that kind of products is very rarely seen there. And also alim courses, if that is a part of that, then it is in addition to that, which they can be understand the meaning of Quran and Sunnah, and they can teach well as well as a good model for the others. I wish the Iqra school a very bright future, and may Almighty Allah bless all of the people who are involved. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Okay.